If you want your truck to sound as good as it looks, then you need a good catback exhaust kit on your truck. We're installing Magnaflow's turn-down style dump kit for the 2011 to 2014 F150s to really wake up the sound of our truck. This kit reuses the stock resonator, so we'll only need to remove the stock muffler and tailpipe. Now you can attach the correct inlet pipe that Magnaflow supplies in the kit. Use the included directions to determine the correct pipe. After the inlet pipe, the muffler is ready to go on, along with the turn-down tip. Now for just the last details, make sure all clamps are tight and all the piping is secure in the hangers, and your Magnaflow dump kit is installed.